Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
It is.
Awesome. I come to check it out if that's all right.
Yes.
Just tell me your name and what all you want to say is.
Oh, Misha Jones. I do it because of my husband. My husband's over there.
Okay.
And we just do this together.
Nice. Do you know all's in here?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold on. Look, I got it written down.
All right. That's all good.
So, I've got 4 8-inch sundowns, LCMRs, 2 6.5 sundowns, LCMRs in the doors, 2 12s in the back, 12-inch sundowns, SAB2s. I have a tar amp 3 on my subs, a tar amp HD3K on my 8s and my doors. I have a 320 amp JS alternator.
Okay.
And paired with a 96 amp hour Pidway bank.
Okay. You know where the battery's at?
It's under my spare tire.
Under the box.
Under
Okay.
the box
Got
of
it.
the spare tire.
Very nice. All right. Do you know your box tuning?
Oh no, I don't.
It's okay.
No.
It's all right. Who built the box?
Cody.
Cody.
Cody
Okay.
Weber. Yeah.
And what vehicle is this?
It's a 2016 Jeep Compass.
Jeep Compass. All right.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for the info.
Yeah.
So I'd love to hear it.
All right.
Nice. And you're, sorry. Are you able to put your seats up and down the way they have it laid out?
They are. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Nice. So family oriented.
Yeah.
There we go. I like it. Is there a way you can open the back and show me how it looks? Very nice. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Thanks for getting on camera, man.
Oh yeah, it's fun. I love the passion. Very nice. I like the box. This looks really good. A unique style to be able to have a baffle and then a curved baffle behind it. So, who built this? You said?
Cody.
Cody. Okay. Really nice. So you have a 3,000 watt RMS on 2 of the SAs. Nice. It's really good. You ever have any box vibration movement issues, or is it mounted
No,
spot?
no, it doesn't move. It's not mounted.
It isn't. It just doesn't move. Solid box. Very good job.
Soul. Why your speakers in the soul? Why your speakers in the soul? Why your speakers in the soul? Why your speakers in the face? I did not live it.
All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? That's my heart. Dying. But you MC, make another hit. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. said was scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I tell you we won't stop. A nigga by the dinner. Like yours, but you ready. Wait no longer to the top. Nigga, the bag won't ride. Tell the paparazzi get the names off. Roll the window down, top, girl, ride. Got the hazard on, we don't stop. You can catch me, hey, in the noon of Ferrari. And the truck behind me got balls. Yeah, y'all never had a run from the years and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, my lemonade. I was afraid, once a nigga graduate with a okay. Got the sparkling chase, nigga bounce off. Why you speakers in the face? Bounce off. Why you speakers in the face? Bounce off. Why you speakers in the face? Bounce off.
That's a really good song for the frequency response on the subwoofer. Really nice job. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you.
Wow. Pretty impressive. You come in here and you're like, well, didn't expect what to see, and you see 212s in here. So, yes, ma'am. What was your name?
Misha.
Misha.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.